Hi everyone, welcome to Edu-Inform. In today's video, we'll focus on essential English sentences for the workplace. Whether you're new to English or looking to improve your communication at work, this guide will help you feel more confident. Let's get started. Using the right sentences at work can help you communicate clearly, avoid misunderstandings, and build better relationships with your colleagues. Here are some key phrases and sentences you can use in different workplace situations. Can you help me with this? I'll get this done by the end of the day. I am on a break. I'll be back in 10 minutes. Let me check and get back to you. Could you explain this to me again, please? Can I add something to the discussion? What's the agenda for today? I agree with your point. Could you please repeat that? Could you send me the document by 2 p.m.? Do you mind if I join you on this task? Can we reschedule the meeting? Can you help me with this report? I'm not sure how to format it. Sure, I can help. When do you need it done? I need to submit it by 3 p.m. today. Okay, let's work on it together now. Also, don't forget to check the email from the manager for additional details. Got it. Thank you so much. No problem. Let's finish this quickly. I'm excited to share an interesting experience related to the topic of this video. It's always fun to connect real-life moments to what we're learning or discussing, so let's dive in. Let me tell you about a time when I had to use English sentences at work. When I first started my job, I wasn't very confident in speaking English. I remember during my first team meeting, I had to ask my colleague for help with a report. I said, "Can you help me with this? I'm not sure how to complete it." To my surprise, they were so understanding, and that small conversation made me feel more confident. Over time, I learned more sentences like, "Can we discuss this later? I'll send you the details in an email." And, "Can you give me a quick update?" These phrases became part of my daily routine, and now I use them without even thinking. There was one moment I'll never forget. During a meeting, I accidentally said, "Let's take a break," instead of "let's take a break." Everyone laughed, and it became an icebreaker for the team. It taught me that mistakes are okay, and even help us bond with others. I know many of you might feel nervous about speaking English at work or in other professional settings. But trust me, with practice, it gets easier. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, ask questions, or even laugh at yourself sometimes. It's all part of the journey. That's my experience. And I hope it inspires you to keep learning and practicing English sentences for work. That's it for today's lesson on English sentences for the workplace. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite workplace phrase? Which sentences do you use the most at work? Share your answers in the comments below. And if you have any specific workplace situations you want me to cover, let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. See you in the next one.